Hello everybody, tonight we make some dish so easy to make, it's not take too long to eat. We make a shrimp parmigiana. Now I got 1 pound of shrimp over here, already I was clean up, I put salt and black pepper, but the way I do like this. I open up and I make a flat. I got over here 16 shrimp. Now I got the flour, eggs and breadcrumb. Now I gotta put a little black pepper and the flour, a little black pepper, the eggs, and I use a little salt for the flour, not too much, just a little bit, a little salt for the eggs. Now I scramble the eggs a little bit more. Okay, and the flour I mix a little bit. And I got over here the fresh mozzarella and I got a Parmigiano cheese. Now this is the parts that I wanted the shrimp I cook over there on the stove. I gotta use this parts. And I put now little sauce. This is my omega sauce. And you don't gotta use too much sauce. Okay, now the oil is nice warm and hot. And we start with the shrimp. The shrimp you do like this. Flour, eggs, flour, eggs, and after when I do some, I put right on the pots. Okay, now this is the last one, and now we mix everything with the eggs like this. Okay, now each shrimp, you gotta go on a breadcrumb. Like this, okay? Okay, I got 2 more to go. Like this, we got all together in the same pots. I want to use little butter. Put 1 piece over here and 1 piece over here. The butter give a nice color the shrimp. Okay, this now you gotta cook a couple of minutes both sides. I want to make sure it come a nice color the shrimp. Let me see this one over here. See, look at that. Look how beautiful it come. Huh? Okay. Okay, now this is ready. Everybody see how beautiful look now. Look at this, how beautiful. Okay? And now we put it right on this pot, 1 by 1 like this. It's okay. After I turn around. Okay, now I gotta put it nice, flat like this. And after we put a little bit of sauce on the top. Okay, now we use a little Parmigiano cheese on the top. And now we got the fresh mozzarella. And each shrimp, you get 1 piece. Okay, like that. Okay, now this you gotta go in the oven. It's 400 degrees. And when you see the mozzarella melt beautiful, the shrimp is done, everything be ready to go. Okay, it's about 6 to 7 minutes, and this you look really, really good. Look at this, the sauce nice, boil, everything, bubbly. Okay, now what I gotta do, I wanna taste this. And let me take one, any one. Oh, it's hot. Hey. Okay, put it right over here. I put this back over here. Perfetto cook. E I want to say salute e cin cin to everybody. A salute. And the shrimp tastes really good. But you gotta do like this, you flat the shrimp, it come out good. Look how beautiful. Salute e cincini everybody.